What is up, everyone? This is your boy, Mr. Product Reviews, and today we will be doing a review on the 8 terabyte Seagate external hard drive. And unfortunately, when I got this product through Amazon, it didn't really come with the nice, product box and what have you. This could be a, from a distributor or what have you. So I just kind of got this, brown box, and trust me, there is a hard drive in there. So just a real quick, the spec for this hard drive is 8 terabyte Seagate, and the model number is STGY8000400 in case you are looking for a specific model. So this is the model for this specific hard drive. It is a external hard drive, USB 3.0, and supposedly compatible with PC and Mac. And just real quick, like I always do in all my video, let's do a 360 of this box. As you can see, this box is nothing fancy. It doesn't really come with any marketing material, what have you, but this is the box it came with, so I decided to just do a quick 360. And in the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do a unboxing, and then after that, the unboxing, we'll plug this into my Mac, and we'll see how that performs. Welcome to the unboxing portion of this video, and so right now I'm just gonna open this box, nothing fancy here. And as you can see, there's like this compartment here where it has which looks like this is USB 3 cable that comes with, with the blue color on the thing. So it comes with a USB cable, and then it's really interesting that it does come with like quite a bit of different types of adapters, I guess. In the event, it looks like this might be sold internationally, so maybe that's why there's all these adapters that you can choose from. So so this is kind of like very helpful if you tend to be traveling with external hard drive and you need the proper outlet attachment for the respective country. It seems like there's quite a bit here. I'll probably need to figure it out in a bit as to which one I need to use. And then it comes with the adapter, and I guess you would put that attachment into here, and then that's how it works. And so there's that. There's all the adapter. Let me just get these things aside. And then pretty much the star of this review is the hard drive itself. Comes with, let's see, comes with some material. I think it might be too bright. Let me just change my camera a little bit. There you go. So in the event you guys want to read this, you can pause this and read it. And looks like some more support material on the Seagate drive. So pretty instructional stuff. So feel free to pause the video should you want to read this or not. But thought I would just do a 3-pan angle here for you guys. Okay, cool. So this is, as I mentioned, the star of the review. And let's kind of open this up and check it out. All right, so this is basically the external hard drive. And so it's a flat surface on one side. And over here is kind of interesting design. There's these geometric shapes that goes on. And let me see if the camera pick it up. So there are some angling with these geometric shapes, as you can see here. So pretty interesting. This is an interesting design. I own many Seagate hard drive for my work. So this is definitely an interesting touch to their case design. Most of the case that I've gotten in the past are pretty much just flush, flat in all surfaces. So this is a nice little added design here that it's kind of cool. So it's like geometric on the back, basically on the bottom, and being on top, assuming that this is how you would, lay your hard drive. But if you lay on the side, then that doesn't matter. And then there, it looks like these holes, are they ventable? Yeah, these are definitely real vents. These hose, oops, sorry. You guys didn't catch on the camera. So basically these hose are basically ventable. It looks like looks like heat will pass through here. These looks like maybe not. It looks like maybe this is more of a design thing than anything else. Let me see. Yeah, just maybe. Yeah, maybe it's designed. So Seagate logo over here, and so basically this is the hard drive. Oh, it looks like there's, yeah, I could peel this plastic off. I usually like to do that. So there you go. Before we start with the product demonstration portion of the video, I just really wanted to highlight the different power adapters that I should say power adapter attachment, sorry, that it comes with. It looks like it comes with 6 different attachments. So there's 6 of them here. Interesting part about it is maybe one of the YouTube viewer can enlighten me. So these 2 prongs to me looks relatively the same. Only difference is this one has a hollow hole, there, versus this one doesn't. And I think these are the ones that I've seen. I live in North America, so this is the one that I will be using. So I'm thinking about going off of that, but if any of the viewers have any idea why this one doesn't have one, please enlighten me and maybe put in the comment section and let me know. That'd be perfect. But it comes with 6 attachment here, as you can see, and it comes with a little attachment here that just shields it for the time being. So you just open it up, and then you would just proceed to put in the proper attachment for your respective country, what have you. So it's pretty easy to put this on here. So you just kind of like line this up. Notice how I'm lining up right here, and just push it down, and pretty much boom, that's it. Now so like this is I would say this is very ideal, especially if you're traveling around with your external hard drive, and you're in different countries and you need different attachment for it. So here's one of them that looks like that. I'm just going to turn it at an angle so you guys can see what attachment comes with. So it comes with one of these. Like I said, this one doesn't have a hollow hole in it. Not sure why, but there's another attachment. And then here's this one. And then followed by this one with 2 prongs on it. And looks like this might be an identical one. It just kind of came with it for some reason. So here's the identical one. Here you get 2 of these for some reason. So there you go. I would say this is very perfect if you are traveling, internationally, and you need to plug in your hard drive in different countries and what have you. I think this would be perfect for your traveling needs. In the next portion, we will do a quick demonstration of the product. Welcome to the product demonstration portion of this video. Before I start, I just wanted to give you guys a heads up in terms of my setup and what kind of, not quite issue, but just, roadblock that I have encountered, and let you guys know. So I am connecting this external hard drive on my Mac. And I did run into issue that I have to open this utility. I did have to partition the desktop so that my Mac can recognize it, and then so that I can create folders and write files to it and whatnot. I'm not going to go through how to partition a hard drive, things of that nature. I think that goes beyond the scope of this product review, but I just want to let you guys know that I did come into some roadblock with setting this up. It's not quite plug and play as I used to remember in terms of purchasing external hard drive. I mean, no big whoops. It took me about 10 minutes to figure it out, and everything was fine afterward. But just do realize that if you have a Mac and you are connecting this hard drive to the Mac, you might running into some issues in terms of getting it, plug and play. So, just, be prepared, spend a little bit of time doing some research in terms of how to get your hard drive set up properly. But for me, it just, 10 minutes of my time, no big whoops. Again, so that's that. And so I have the external hard drive turned on right now, and the indicator that that this hard drive is turned on is this white light right here. So when it's off, you won't see that. So this tells me that this device is on. So this is your indicator that the device is on. It's connected to my Mac right now. And I'm just gonna bring my camera really close, and hopefully it can pick up the nuances, the sound that it's making. It's actually very, very quiet. But then, if you get really close to it, you could kind of hear the fan. But I mean, if you get really close to it, like where I'm standing right now, I can't even hear the hard drive. But I just wanted to bring it really close to see if my camera can pick it up, just in case, if noise level is something that you are concerned with. And then after that, so this is the idle state. After that, I will transfer some big video files into this hard drive so that this hard drive is under stress. and we'll see how loud, with traditional hard drive, you hear the clicking noise. We'll see how loud that would be, and I'll try to bring my camera as close as I can so you guys can, be the judge whether this is the right product for you or not. So I'm just gonna bring my camera really close to you so you guys can check out like how quiet this is at the idle level. All right, so now I just brought this, really close, and this is where kind of like the fan and the air vent comes out. So I figured this would be a good part where you could hear the noise. So I'm gonna be quiet for a few seconds. You guys can be the judge whether you hear anything or not. All right, so that's about 5 seconds of silence. For me, where I'm standing, I had to get my ear really close, but I could hear like a low humming noise, to it. But beyond that, you don't really hear much. So in the next part, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to transfer some files, and we will do this portion again. Okay, so right now I actually have some really big video files that I'm currently transferring into this hard drive. Now, if I get my ear really close, I could hear the clicking noise. Like if I get my ear really close. So again, I'm going to be quiet for a couple of seconds and let you be the judge whether you can hear anything or not. And I'm hoping that my camera can at least pick up something. All right, so that's a couple seconds of silence. Like I mentioned, I do hear a very, very faint clicking noise, like very faint. I mean, if I was like say a feet or two away, there's no way I would hear anything. And this is kind of the reason why I've been a Seagate fan for many years. I used Western Digital in the past. And I was teetering between Seagate and Western Digital for a while, but pretty much nowadays I exclusively buy Seagate simply because of the fact that they have great customer service. And also their hard drive was just really, really quiet for the most part. And I've enjoyed the product quite a bit. So there you go, there you guys. There you have it. So this is the Seagate, 8 terabyte hard drive review. And if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. For additional info, please check, the video description below. For places to buy, or you want to read my written review and contact information and whatnot. And again, thank you for watching. Mr. Product Reviews out.